Estar listo, lista para. Estar listo or lista para. Estar listo para or estar lista para. Plus infinitive. Okay, what are we talking about? This looks very complicated. What does this mean? This means to be ready to do something. So if you want to say to be ready to do something in Spanish, you can use this formula right here. This phrase will help you say that in Spanish. So there are a few things that we need to talk about. The first one is about the verb estar. Estar is a verb, as I said a second ago, and it means to be. Estar means to be. Yo estoy, tú estás, él está, nosotros estamos. Estar is a very versatile verb. It has quite a few uses, but one of them is that it means to be. So that is the meaning of this verb. Listo. Listo means ready in Spanish. Listo. You can even say it by itself. Listo. And that means ready. Or it's ready. Or even I'm ready. So it depends on the context. Lista. Lista instead of O and A. Lista. Lista also means ready. And it can be a noun and it means list. La lista, la lista. But we're not talking about a list here. We're talking about to be ready. Okay? So listo is masculine, lista is feminine. Para means for. So you can say para ti, for you. Para mí, for me. So para is a very good word, a very helpful word that means for. That's the meaning of each word. Now, we are including an infinitive. You can say estar listo or lista para plus an infinitive. What is an infinitive? We're talking about verbs in the infinitive form. Infinitive means you don't conjugate the verb, so you say the verb as is. For example, correr, caminar, estudiar, hablar, trabajar, comer. So essentially we're just saying just add a verb there and don't conjugate it, okay? So you need to say estar listo or lista para and then a verb in the infinitive form. Now, let's look at some examples using this phrase. The first example is estoy lista para salir. Estoy lista para salir. This means I'm ready to go out. So this is a common thing to say in Spanish and in every language. People say, I'm ready to go out, right? So you can say this in Spanish. It's a common thing to say, just as in English. So let's break this down and let's see how the phrase estar listo or lista para plus infinitive works in this example. Estoy, yo estoy, yo estoy. We don't have to say yo all the time. Yo means I. But when you say, you could say yo estoy. But when you say estoy, that means I am. Okay? I am. Estoy afuera. I'm outside. Estoy lista. I'm ready. So you don't have to say yo. Let me just erase this. Estoy means I am. Lista, lista, we have the phrase here. We're using A as opposed to O because if you're a female, you can use lista, lista. Estoy lista para. Let's include the whole phrase that we're talking about. Estoy lista para, and that means I'm ready to do something, And what is that something? Salir. Salir is a verb, and it means to go out or even get out. But in this situation, you're saying to go out. So, salir means go out. Now, this is the infinitive form of the verb salir. Salir. Once again, that means don't conjugate the verb. When you want to include a verb in the infinitive form, just don't conjugate it. Just leave it as is. Estoy lista para salir means I'm ready to go out. Excellent. That was pretty easy. Let's look at another example using the phrase we're learning. The next example is: ¿Estás listo para comer? ¿Estás listo para comer? And this means, are you ready to eat? ¿Estás listo para comer? Are you ready to eat? Very easy, nothing complicated going on here. So let's break this down. Estás, tú estás. We don't need to say tú. Estás in a question means are you. If it's not a question, estás means you are. Okay? Estás bonita, you're beautiful. Estás durmiendo, you are sleeping. So, estás means you are. In a question, it means are you. Listo, we're using the masculine form of listo. Listo para. Okay, so that's the phrase we're learning. ¿Estás listo para? Are you ready to? ... And then we add a verb in the infinitive form. Comer. Comer means to eat. And we have it right here. Eat. ¿Estás listo para comer? Are you ready to eat? So this is another easy example that shows you perfectly how the phrase estar listo para or estar lista para works in everyday conversation. ¿Estás listo para comer? Means are you ready to eat? Obviously, you can change this to anything else. Instead of comer, you can say ¿estás listo para viajar? Are you ready to travel? Okay, or to go on a trip. ¿Estás listo para viajar? We have again another verb in the infinitive form. Viajar means to travel. It's not conjugated, okay? We can change this here as well. We can say estoy lista para trabajar. That is another verb in the infinitive form that means to work. Okay, so I'm ready to work. Right here. We have it right here. We made the change there, and you can see that it makes sense. So this phrase is great if you want to say to be ready to do something in Spanish. Leave more examples using this phrase in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this lesson, please give it a like. That helps me a lot. Thanks for watching. Muchas gracias. Hasta la vista. I want to give a big shout out to our Cafecito members: Christopher Michael, Ruby Brockenberry, Brianna L, Michael Lee, Regulation D, Hanko Juan, Christine Mache, Washti Bader, Formula Air, JSE, Alan K, and Diane McLaurin. If you want to support this channel and buy me a cup of coffee, please check out the Cafecito membership by clicking on the join button down below. Muchas gracias.